Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to customize clipboard for keyboard in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. See, go to the typing interface. This is the keyboard. If you would like to get some customization of clipboard means what you have copied previously, that will be given as a suggestion in the keyboard when you are typing. So first go to the settings of your phone here, then go to system management, and go to languages and input, and here select on screen keyboard. Go to manage on screen keyboards and click on Gboard, and here go to clipboard, and these are all the clipboard feature. Okay, so first one is show recently copied text and images in the suggestions bar. So it is already turned on. Suppose if it is turned off, you will not get any copied text while you are on the keyboard. Okay, suppose if you have previously copied some text, lengthy text, and if you would like to type behind, you don't need. If you turn on this button, okay, just turn on this button, your keyboard will suggest you to what you have to next copy. Okay, that is it will ask you to select that text again, so that it will be convenient for you to select copy text. Okay, also images will be shown in the suggestion bar. Okay, the next one is show items such as addresses, phone numbers within recently copied text. So recently copied text will have the addresses and phone numbers also. It will also suggested if you have turned on this button. Then third one, save recent screenshots in clipboard itself. Okay, so if you have taken any screenshots, that will also have in the clipboard. Okay, so it is already turned off. If you would like to turn on this, yes, you can do it. Okay, turn on this. Okay, allow limited as allow all, give allow all, so that yes, it will also be enabled. So in this way you can easily customize keyboard clipboard in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.